Hi everyone! Going on vacation versus purchasing a valuable item have its advantages and disadvantages, so let's explore them in details to help you make informed decisions. The advantages of going on vacation are experiential value. Vacations offer memorable experiences, adventures, and exposure to new cultures. Relaxation. Taking a break from routine can reduce stress and provide a much needed recharge. Bonding. Vacations allow for quality time with family and friends, strengthening relationships. On the other hand, buying a valuable item, we have satisfaction. Owning something you desire can bring a sense of accomplishment and happiness. Tangible asset. Buying a valuable item provides ownership of a physical asset with potential long-term value. Utility. The item's functionality or usefulness can enhance your daily life or activities. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of going on vacation. Financial cost. Traveling, accommodation, dining, and activities can accumulate significant expenses. Time commitment. Planning and taking a vacation require times off work and coordinating schedules. Unpredictability. Factors like weather, travel delays, and unexpected events can disrupt plans. While purchasing a valuable item, the disadvantages are financial implications. Valuable items can come with high price tags, affecting your budget. Depreciation. Some items lose value over time or with technological advancements. Maintenance. Certain valuable possession requires upkeep, repairs, or insurance. But both going on vacation and buying a valuable item involves risks. Here are some possible risks of going on vacation. Overspending. It's easy to exceed your budget while indulging in vacation-related activities. Disappointment. If expectations aren't met, a vacation may not live up to anticipated experiences. Health concerns. Changes in diet, activities, and environments might impact health during travel. While for the purchase of an item of value, they are buyer's remorse. Regretting a purchase is possible if the item doesn't meet your expectations. Limited use. The value of an item might diminish if not used frequently. Changing preference. Over time, your interests and needs might shift, affecting the item's significance. Ultimately, the decision between going on vacation and purchasing a valuable item hinge on your priorities, financial situations, and goal. A vacation offers experiences and memories but requires financial and time commitment. On the other hand, acquiring a valuable item can bring satisfaction and utility but may also entail costs and potential risks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.